What up, y'all? Show y'all my duck journey. The journey I've been going through with these ducks. Right now I have let me get up in this thing. We got 4 ducks now. We got a big old mama duck right there and 3 little ducks. These 2 right here y'all seen before, but y'all haven't seen the big one and the one over here. Just to let y'all know the journey. The 2-1 right here, that's what when I first drove my truck to work. I got ducked at work. And the little duck over here, the purple one, me and my daughter went to the auto store, car part store, and we went to get those seat covers and the steering wheel cover. And we seen a Jeep there. They sell like the ducks inside the store. She said, "Oh, can we buy a duck to put on the Jeep?" I was like, "All right." So we bought a duck to put on that Jeep, and we came out, and the lady was sitting inside the Jeep. My daughter gave her the duck that we bought, and then she let my daughter pick out one of the duck that she wanted. So she picked out this duck right here. Now this big duck right here, I had my Jeep parked here at my house, just out here. I was I think I had to go DJ at a 4th of July party. I was setting up for that. So my Jeep was parked here, and I came back, and this big duck was on my Jeep. But I'm pretty sure I know where that came from, though. I'm pretty sure my girlfriend did that. She got me that big duck right there when I left my Jeep out. Cause usually I keep it in the garage. It was nice out that day, so we just left it out. Yeah, it's my current duck journey right now, though. Show y'all what that thing looking like when I be driving. When I be riding down the road, that's what they be looking like. It's my duck journey. Hopefully we can get some more ducks, man. I'll give y'all an update soon that we get ducked again, get some more ducks in this thing. But as of right now, that is it. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Catch y'all on the next one.